Hello, kids. It's your Uncle Dave. I'm not your uncle, I'm the teacher right now, but I treat you like so. Alright, so today we're going to do a basic little flow. We're going to get some stretching and some easing of how to learn how to use your breath, connecting with the movements and doing yoga so you can be a better person and a better adult when you grow, because that's what's needed in the world, especially right now. So, we're going to start off with sun salutation A. You're going to bring your ankles and toes together as much as possible. Have your feet planted to the ground like roots of a plant. Legs are tall and firm. No bending of the knees. Making sure you're not buckled. Arms to the side, fingers wide. Deep breaths through the nose, out the nose. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. When you work your hands to the back of your ankles, or wherever you are, whether you're up here or down like myself, you're going to pull your body in as much as possible. Inhale, lift halfway up, like so. Exhale, down. Bend your knees, bring your hands to the mat, step back to the right, step back to the left. Bring your knees to the mat, feet long, hips to child's pose. Bring your hips all the way onto the back of your heels. Come back up to the knees, send the hips forward, shoulders back and down, making sure your hands are firmly planted to the ground. Raise your head up. Inhale. Exhale, lower the head down. Come back to the knees, tuck your toes. You're going to push your hiney and your legs all the way up to downward dog. Softening the heels. Make sure your feet are as flat as possible. You're not going to be as flat as me. You can be on your toes. Make sure they're as flat as possible. Bring your heels to the ground. Push your ears away from your shoulders. Pull to the middle of the body. Deep breath. I call it downward dog because you can see a dog. If you have a dog, you might see them stretch like this from time to time. Especially downward and upward. Raise your gaze. Step up with the right. Step up with the left, making sure your ankles and toes are together. Push yourself up and down to a mountain pose. Bring your shoulders back and down, arms to the side, fingers wide. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, forward fold, pull the body in. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, down. Bend the knees, hands to the mat, step back to the left, step back to the right. Knees to the mat, feet long, hips to child's pose. Hips on top of the heels, forehead to the mat. Come back up to the knees. Send the hips forward, shoulders back and down. Raise the gaze up. Inhale. Lower the gaze. Come to the knees, tuck the toes, push into downward dog. Exhaling. Remember, feet are as flat as possible. Ears pushed away from the shoulders. Pull to the middle of the body, deep breath. And if you'd like, let's stretch the calves. You can pedal back and forth slightly, slowly. Give some motion to the body. Come to a still. Raise the gaze, step up with the left, step up with the right. Come to a standing mountain pose. Now that we've done sun salutation A, we're going to wind up getting on some floor poses. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Bend the knees, hands to the mat. Step back to the right, step back to the left. Bring your knees to the mat. Send your feet long and bring your wrists underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips, because alignment is always important. Everything is under, nothing to the sides. Everything is aligned. We're going to do a cat-cow. You're going to, just like a cat, when you see them on Halloween, like, you're going to inhale, bring your chin into the chest, bring your hips into your stomach, curving the top of your back. Exhale, belly down, hips out, gaze upward for cow. Inhale in. Exhale out for cow. Inhale in. Exhale out. See your exhale is like a move. Inhale in. exhale out. One more, inhale in. Exhale out. It's going to come to a neutral spine or a flat spine with the gaze between the hands.